Hey guys, it's Yvette, and I know you're sitting there and you're thinking, it's only been a couple days. Look, now she's back. I'm back. I have gotten so many messages about people who are slightly disappointed that, I'm not going to have videos every day. Yeah, you're going to miss this. My nose itches all the time. Okay, nose itches. Sorry. Anyway, I started thinking about what I could do to post every day. Now, caveat. It's a caveat. My goal is to try to have a video every day. I think you and I both know that is not going to happen. And in my opinion, you guys seem to think that I have a much more exciting life than I really do. So I have to have something that I need to do other than just talk about me and my life, because actually it's quite boring. It's full, but it's boring. It's the same thing over and over and over and over. So, you guys, this is a hilarious story, okay? Hilarious. I'm sitting there on the sofa one night and thinking, okay, seriously, like, what can I do? And I started just looking all over the internet about, typing in, daily topics. I mean, just everything. So then I went to Pinterest. I went everywhere. Okay. So then I'm on Instagram, just checking my Instagram, right? By the way, I do have Instagrams. I have way too many Instagrams is the problem. I have 3 Instagrams. I have TheYvetteRene. I have Yvette Rene Creations. And then I have Piecing It Real. I mean, seriously, it's too many. And the problem is that I was trying to maybe like get rid of the Yvette Rene Creations and merge it with the Yvette Rene. They don't make it easy. They really don't make it easy. You end up like either losing half your data, or how did I even get on this topic? I mean, seriously, I digress all the time. All right, so let's get back to that. I'm just doing a search on Instagram, and not even a search. I'm just like going through my feed, right? Seeing who's there. And somebody who I follow, I don't even remember who it was. This is the terrible part, because I should be giving this girl credit. But apparently she did something called a temperature quilt for 2020. And she was talking about how she hadn't quite finished it, but, here it was, and she was going to finish it up, and, blah, blah, blah. Well, I'm sitting there and I'm thinking, I have no idea what a temperature quilt is. I had never heard of it. What was that? That just scared the poop out of me. It's basically just a charge cord, but it fell and made me feel like there was a snake on my leg. Okay. So, next I went to Google and I Googled temperature quilt. And then when it came up, I clicked on images and I started seeing that, oh my goodness, like a temperature quilt was a real thing, and it was like really cool. And people were coming up with their own kind of like patterns and how they were going to do it, and just all sorts of different things. So I thought, oh, that's awesome. Like, I can just start a temperature quilt, and that'll give me something to do every day when I'm talking to you. So I have put together a pattern that is basically, I think, what they call an economy block, but I'm making it into a paper piecing pattern, naturally, so that it'll be very quick to come together. I'll have the one piece in the middle, and then boom, boom, and it's done. So if you don't know what a temperature quilt is, I mean, I didn't know what it was. You basically have well, here's what I did. I started a chart, and I have the chart with every day in the year, and then for each day you will record the low temperature and the high temperature. And off to the side, your like fabric, I don't even know what to call it. Selections, whatever. You're going to know what word I really want. Y'all know I can't think of words. I don't know why. I think maybe, and I'm really not trying to make a joke, but I hope not, but I don't know. Like, why can't I think of words? Okay, I don't know. Anyway, so I have made up a chart. I have 16 different fabrics, and I'm going to be using Art Gallery Pure Color because I just decided for whatever reason that I was going to start carrying the Pure Color Art Gallery in my shop. So I haven't gotten any of it yet. That's the teeny tiny part of the problem. But I have the 16 fabrics that I want to use, and each temperature has, or each piece of fabric has a 5-degree temperature range. So depending on what the temperature is outside, high and low for the day before, I will be putting together each of these blocks. I'm thinking that I'm probably, and I need to make it uniform. So I'm thinking that I'm going to put the high in the middle and then the low around it. That's what I think I'm going to do. I think that's probably the best way to go forward. So I have put together my little blocks for the foundation paper piecing patterns. So I have that ready. I have, I'm going to do mine as 5-inch finished. So 5.5-inch blocks. By the time I'm done, the quilt will be approximately 90 inches by 100 inches, except a little bit bigger because I'm going to put a little border around the edge, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do there, like if it's going to be black. I have black on it right now, and we'll see. And I have like a hot pink as the binding. But that could change into something else once I see the fabrics in person, so we'll see. Anyway, I'm just doing this for myself. I was not trying to, because apparently there's a lot of people doing like temperature quilt-alongs. And I had never even heard of this thing. So that's not what I'm doing. I'm not trying to get in on, everybody. This was something I just decided I was going to do for me, and it would be something that I could do every day. And while I'm doing it, while I'm sewing it up, that's when I'm going to be talking to you. That was my plan. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. I'm not starting today, obviously, because I don't have the fabric yet. So I think I'm supposed to get some sort of a delivery tomorrow. So we'll see what I get. And yeah, so I'm actually kind of excited. It looks like it's going to be really cute. And it's something that, I made mine very simple. I mean, I totally went with the KISS thing. Keep it simple, stupid. It's simple. The block will take like no time at all to make. I mean, and so to do that every day, that is like not going to be a big deal. I can have a whole bunch of templates cut out and ready to go for each day. Obviously, you can't get the fabric ready because you don't know what the temperature is going to be. And really, anything can happen over here. But I mean, cutting 5 pieces of fabric is not a huge deal. So I'm thinking it's going to be cool. Now, there obviously are going to be days when I cannot make a video. I'm tired, or I got too much going on, or whatever it is. And then whenever I do come back to make the next video, I will play catch up. So that's what I'll do. Because I think, like I said, you and I both know, I am not going to do this every day. I'm going to attempt to. However, I think we all know that there's probably going to be some days that are skipped. So today I thought that I would share with you a birthday gift that I got in the mail from Netta and her daughters, Ariel and Sierra. And I'm so excited. And you guys are so sweet to like send me stuff. So here it is. And she wrote happy birthday on it. And I'm going to open it in front of you guys. So let's get it open. I'm excited. All right. And y'all, I'm trying so hard. I've been like blowing on my eyes and everything to like not burst into tears or whatever. I mean, seriously. Okay, hold up. I tell you, the USPS does put lots of glue on here. Okay. All right. Oh, there's tape. It's okay. I got a pair of scissors right here. Okay. All right. All right, here's the card. And it says, happy birthday. And I got a little cup of coffee over here. Oh, y'all haven't seen my nails. Y'all, check out my nails. It's ombre, and it's like this holographic, like glitter. I love them. This is like my fave so far. Ooh. Okay, enough of the nails. Let's get on to the card. Here's the little cup of coffee, which I think is cute. Aw, it says a little birthday love. And look, it's got little buttons. Because see, she put buttons on there. There's a paw, there's a heart, there's a little kitty cat. And then this is a piece of like thick paper with glitter all over it. Okay. It says, have a wonderful birthday. You guys know what the postage situation is like, or the postal or whatever. So it is a little late, but it's not her fault. It's nobody's fault. It's no big deal. I got it now and I'm still celebrating, so it's okay. Have a wonderful birthday. May you have many more healthy and happy years to come. Enjoy your little birthday gift. XOXO, Netta, Ariel, Sierra. That's so special from you girls. I'm serious. Okay, and look, you guys. All right. Listen, I can't. I'm not even like opening it yet. And I'm getting. I tried. I'm sorry. Y'all know me. I cry for a drop of a hat. Oh my goodness. First is a couple pieces of candy. And it's a little well, look. It says, I like big mugs and I cannot lie. It's all tulip pink. And Sketcher on the back, which I love. And I want to know who made this. Sierra, did you make this? It's a mug rug. And you're supposed to tuck a cookie in there. Or 2 or 3 cookies. She has a little tag on it. You girls are all so special to me. Thank you so much. Thank you. My birthday has been very, very special this year. And it's you guys. Don't burn yourself, baby. Jellybeans come over to check out everything. What do you think, buddy? Do you like big mugs? You cannot lie. Oh my goodness. You guys, seriously. I love this so much. Thank you so much. You make me feel loved, and I appreciate all of you. And I hope you know that, and I hope I don't sound like a broken record and like I'm just, because I know I say it probably too much. I don't know, but I feel it so. It's so large and huge in me that I have to keep saying it. It's like, anyway, we've been together a long time. I love you guys. Thank you so much for continuing to watch, and I will try to continue to entertain. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully it'll be tomorrow. If I get some kind of fabric that I can use in a temperature quilt, I will do it tomorrow, or if I have something that just has come up, I will definitely do it and post another video. So I'm trying really hard for you guys because I know you want it and I love you so much. So I'm gonna give it a go. We'll see how it goes. So I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.